Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best handheld peeler with a catch basin on the market, the Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen prepping fruits and vegetables, this tool might just change the way you peel forever. Right from the start, this peeler impresses with its dual ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. These blades are designed to swivel smoothly as you glide them over potatoes, carrots, apples, cucumbers, and a variety of other produce. The swivel action is key because it effortlessly follows the contours of whatever you're peeling, making the whole process faster and much less tiring. One standout feature that sets this peeler apart is the built-in blemish remover. It's perfect for quickly tackling any bruises or imperfections on your fruits and veggies without having to switch tools. This means you're not only peeling with precision but also saving more of your produce from unnecessary waste. The peeling action itself is buttery smooth. The blades take off just the right amount of skin, so you're not wasting any edible parts beneath. Plus, the design prevents clogging from peels, which can be a real annoyance with other peelers. It keeps your peeling process continuous and mess-free. Comfort is clearly a priority in this design. The handle features a soft, non-slip rubber grip that feels comfortable in your hand whether you're right or left-handed. It's lightweight but sturdy, making it an excellent choice for anyone, including those with arthritis or limited hand strength. There's even a convenient hole in the handle for easy hanging storage. Durability is also impressive. The peeler is rust-proof and dishwasher safe, so maintaining it is hassle-free. It even comes with a reusable blade cover for added safety, protecting both your fingers and the blades when not in use. The package comes with 2 peelers, which is perfect for busy kitchens or for sharing with a family member. The compact size and ergonomic design make these peelers easy to handle and store. Overall, the Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler combines professional quality with thoughtful features that make kitchen prep easier and more enjoyable. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and comfortable peeler, this one definitely deserves a spot in your kitchen drawer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews. See you next time.